Hello friends, this is Dr. Sudhir Sharma bringing you a video on how to minimize emotional trauma if you fail to achieve a major goal in your life. Friends, do we understand that we live in two worlds simultaneously? There is this outer world where we function. Our actions, our techniques, our skills are very important in this world. Then there is the world of ego. Each one of us have created this inside our heads and we are emotionally attached to this second world. We suffer the emotional trauma of various degrees when goals set by ego in this second world we fail to achieve. Keep these two worlds in focus when we are discussing and understanding the three ways in which we can minimize the emotional trauma of goal achievement failure. The first way involves not blaming yourself for the goal achievement failure. Your intelligence is telling you not to feel personally humiliated or insulted. You refuse to pay attention to those thoughts which are saying that you have become the laughing stock. Do not feel guilty or hurt about this failure. Instead of feeling emotionally disturbed, focus on another very important aspect. You may not have collected enough information, facts and figures to succeed. Your planning may have been defective. You might have used wrong inputs. You might have ignored the warning signs. Once your attention is focused on as to why you failed to take correct actions, then your emotional trauma starts lessening. The second way to minimize emotional trauma relates to the role played by the society. Our family members, relatives, close friends and colleagues exert tremendous pressure on us to achieve certain goals in life. They want you to achieve name, fame, prestige and high status in the society. When you fail to achieve an important goal in your life, their displeasure, their disappointment and their criticism create tremendous pressure on you emotionally. You cannot allow their comments, their gestures or behavior to upset you emotionally. Reassure all these well-wishers that you intend to do much better in future, and if they don't understand this, then it is best to ignore them. The third way that will help you to minimize emotional trauma of goal achievement failure is the understanding of the fact that life just cannot stand still. You will certainly have many more goals to achieve and you will have many more opportunities to succeed in life. You will require all the energy and fresh enthusiasm to achieve future goals. Just push aside and end this story of previous goal failure and jump out of the pit of negative emotions. As life cannot stop moving, so also you cannot stop moving in tune with the changing circumstances, changing events in your life. Only this time, moved a bit differently, more intelligently, more attentively to achieve success. Collect adequate and accurate facts, figures, information and other relevant data related to the goal. Go for sound planning and consult experts if need be. Work harder and be more disciplined in your approach. Waste no more time in staying emotionally upset. Show more maturity and intelligence by using your head in improving your efficiency and skill in the world of action. This will ensure high success rate in achieving your goals in future. Dear friends, please share your views in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Thank you very much for listening to the video to the end.